how to add properties to a page on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add properties to a page in Notion. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So let's get started. First, head over to the Notion homepage. If you're not already logged in, go to the top right corner and click Login. Now, if you prefer the easy route, click on Continue with Google. It'll prompt you to choose your Google account and log you right in without having to remember a separate password. Once you're in, choose the workspace or page where you want to add your property. If you already have a database or a table set up on the page, click on that. You'll see three little dots in the top right corner of the table view. Go ahead and click those. Now from the drop-down menu, choose Properties. This is where all the customization happens. Once you're in the Properties panel, look for the New Property button and click it. Now you'll see a list of different property types. For this example, let's go with Multi-Select. This is perfect if you want to tag your items with multiple categories like project stages, task priorities, or anything else that fits how you work. Once you choose Multi-Select, you'll be able to add different options. Just type in the names of your tags. Hit enter and repeat for as many as you need. You can also assign colors to each one, which makes your table easier to scan and a lot more visually organized. After you're done adding your options, close the Properties menu and you'll see your new column show up in the table. You can now start tagging each item using the multi-select options you just created. And that's it, you've successfully added a new property to your Notion page. These small customizations really help transform your workspace into something that fits your workflow perfectly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.